So what are we going to do right now? We're going to do an ignition replacement for the Honda. How to take the ignition out. Phillips screwdriver, we need a long one like that.
Do I need to come on the side?
Now over here we have in Honda always 3 screws. Let me see that. Okay, after that we take the 3 screws. We need like to take this plastic out. The way that we're taking the plastic out, we just need to open that and everything got released. Okay. Now we have over here 3 screws. Now I'm gonna show you how that we're saving time. It's very important, like, you know, to save the first piece in place. The first piece you're gonna see in a second, like it's the one that reading the chip, like the antenna that reading the chip. So we're really saving this one. So we have 2 screws here. Of course, we need to disconnect this. Now you're gonna have another screw hiding here. You're pressing all the wiring, okay? This is why it's very important to take a flat screwdriver. You're putting the flat screwdriver here. And you're opening the screw downstairs. And this piece is going to come out. This piece, it's very, very important to keep safe, okay? Now this piece, it's not important. This is the one that making basically the noise on the key. The only way to take this piece in the real way, it's basically to take this piece out, but we don't have time to do it. So what we're doing, we're just holding the piece like that and we're breaking that. It's very easy to put it back after that, okay? You see, like, I can put it back. I'm promising you guys, I did 1,000 of them, it's no damage, okay? You see, like, it's going back with no problem. You just broken this piece, okay? Now over here we have like a pin that holding like the ignition, and I'm going to show you right now how to drill it very quick. Okay, so the way that we're drilling the pin sitting here. Okay, we need to drill here in order like to damage the pin that holding the ignition. And that's it, the ignition is out.